Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dilshad and today we will discuss another topic of B.Ed English pedagogy, and that is direct method. In previous video we have discussed grammar translation method. In that method, teachers teach students with the help of translation. They use more of mother tongue and less of target language. Here target language is English. If we talk about direct method, then it is totally opposite of grammar translation method. Here no translation is used to teach students. This method more focused on speaking skill. So teachers and students both use target language only. Through this method, students can effortlessly use English language. So in this video, we will focus on direct method and merits and demerits of this method. So without any delay, let's start the topic. This method is originated from France and its principles are taken from Germany. It is known as scientific method. While teaching English, no other language is used. Teachers and students both use English language only. That's why it is known as direct method. Teachers use only English language to explain any lesson without using any single word of mother tongue. This method is also known as natural method or reformed method. This method is totally opposite of grammar translation method. In this method, unit of teaching is sentence. In previous video, we have discussed that in grammar translation method, unit of teaching is word. And here in direct method, unit of teaching is sentence. This can be asked in MCQs. Let's discuss next point, and that is merits of direct method. This method focus on fluency of language without interaction of mother tongue. Learning by doing is the key feature of this method. Learners can easily use the language without any fear. This method is full of activities. It is based on scientific principles to acquire the knowledge. Next point is demerits of direct method. This method is not used for average students because here teachers and students use English language only. They doesn't use mother tongue for explanation. So for average students it is hard to understand the lesson. Teachers are not skilled. In direct method, to introduce unfamiliar words are very difficult to explain because teachers have to use only English language. They cannot use mother tongue to make it easy for students. Next is it is time taking process because in India we doesn't use English language in our day to day life. So for students it is hard to understand and to speak English language. Next point is this method is expensive because teachers use many tools to make teaching more effective and interesting for students. No translation is used in this method. Next is it is not possible in overcrowded class. In India we know it very well that our classes are very much crowded. So in that situation this method is not possible there. And the last point is it ignores reading and writing skill. This method is more focused on speaking skill. It improves the fluency of English in students. So that's all for today. In this video we have discussed direct method and we discussed merits and demerits of this method. That's all for today. If you found it helpful, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.